It's the things we love most that destroy us.
We're live!
It's the things we love.
We're live! We're live!
It's the things we love. We love. We love. Love. That destroy us.
Your role is to turn these children into spectacles, not survivors.
You seem like a good man, Corleone Snow.
I have seen what war does to people.
I want my enemies to see a rainbow of destruction engulfing the world. Welcome home, Mr. Snow. Mr. Snow, after everything you've seen, what are the Hunger Games for?
The Hunger Games are to punish the districts. Those tributes don't have a choice.
We're live!
I'm your mentor.
You want to protect people, it's essential to accept what human beings are and what it takes to control them.
You seem like a good man, Corleone Snow.
I have seen what war does to people.
Fueled with the terror of becoming prey. See how quickly we become predator?
Good luck with that poor little songbird.
Where is she?
It's a mystery, and mysteries have a way of driving people